Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon monthly payments. This convenient option allows you to spread the cost of eligible items over several installments, making larger purchases more manageable. You'll find this feature on select products, particularly Amazon-branded devices. The best part is there are absolutely no interest charges or hidden fees involved, and applying for or using this service will not impact your credit score. It's a straightforward way to budget effectively. To determine your eligibility for Amazon monthly payments, the system considers your Amazon account history and creditworthiness. When browsing, simply look for the monthly payments option displayed prominently on the product detail pages of qualifying items. Typically, you'll see an offer for 5 equal monthly payments after an initial down payment. This payment method is often available for items priced over $50, providing flexibility for a range of products. Your first payment is conveniently due at the time of purchase, initiating your payment plan. Subsequent payments are then automatically charged to your default payment method on a monthly basis, ensuring a hassle-free experience. You can easily view and manage all the details of your payment plan directly within your Amazon account. It's crucial to ensure your designated payment method remains current and valid to avoid any interruptions to your scheduled payments. It's important to be aware that missing a scheduled payment can result in the immediate charge of your remaining balance. Generally, this payment option is limited to 1 or 2 active plans at any given time, so plan your purchases accordingly. Should you need to return an item, refunds are processed in line with Amazon's standard return policy. Overall, monthly payments offer a fantastic, interest-free way to budget for significant purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.